Good
Morning,
morning.
sir. Morning, sir.
Good morning po, sir.
Good morning po. Okay, may tanong lang po sana ako. Di ba napansin nyo halos everyday tayo nagkaklase sa math pero tagkuan lang siya, tag 10 minutes, 15 minutes, maximum na yung 25 minutes. So, okay lang ba yun sa inyo na hinati ko yung oras ng 1 hour na klase natin every Monday, hinati ko siya into tag 10 minutes or up tag 15 minutes in one day? Para lahat po tayo meron talagang matutunan everyday. Okay lang ba yun sa inyo? Yes or no? Just like,
Yes po,
Yes
sir.
po.
Yes, sir.
Okay lang man,
Okay
sir.
lang.
Yes, okay lang.
okay, sige. So, gusto ko lang kasi malaman, baka meron kasing magreklamo. Kasi last year, ganito yung ginawa ko din po. Yung 1 hour na klase, hindi ko po siya tinatapos. Ginagawa ko lang siyang 25 minutes sa regular time. Tapos pagka next day, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Hanggang maubos yung 1 hour. Nireklamo ako last year. Kasi daw po, everyday daw po ako klase. Yun yung sabi ng parent na yun. So, sana maintindihan ng lahat na ginagawa ko ito para, kasi hindi po pwede talaga kasi ang math na basahin nyo lang tapos maintindihan nyo. Naintindihan nyo man siguro yung ginasabi ko, di ba? Nakatry na ba kayo, nagbabasa lang kayo, yung mahirap masyado intindihin?
Opo,
Opo, sir.
sir.
Walang
Opo,
maintindihan
sir.
kung
Yes.
basahin lang.
Siguro 10
kayo
beses nyo na
natunan,
binasa yung module, hindi nyo talaga maintindihan kahit anong kuha or anong point yun siya. Parang ganun yung ginamin ko. So at least man lang meron kayong matutunan kahit 10 minutes lang. Okay? So last meeting po, pinag-usapan po natin or we talked about the process of which like this. Wherein we get the 1 squared, 1 times 1 nagiging 1. We get the square of a number. 2 squared, magiging 2 times 2, magiging 4. 3 squared, magiging 3 times 3, magiging 9. And so on and so forth. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 5, 25. 6 times 6, 36. Kinuha po natin yan kahapon. 7 times 7, 49. 8 times 8, 64. Tapos 3, ito na yung 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squared. 9 squared is 81. 10 squared is 100. So itong ginawa po natin na umabot ng up to 15 is may kinalaman po sa lesson natin this morning. I would like to give this example. For the lesson we have today, it is still part of module number 5, lesson number 2, wherein we will talk about finding the closest integers from the given radical or square root of a number. For example, we have the first example which is number 1, square root of 12. So what are the integers close before and after this square root of 12? So allow me to identify. Ganito lang po yan. Yung gisolve po natin na perfect square, ito po yun sila lahat. Umabot tayo ng 15. Minsan, pinapaabot pa yun ng 100 or abot pa ng 200. So, square root of 12. Saan po makikita si 12 dyan? Of course, it is between 9 and 16. Yun po. Ano po yung perfect square number ng 9? That is 3 and 4. So therefore, ang sagot dito, the integers that is closest to square root of 12 is 3 and 4. And that is now the answer. Ganun lang po yun siya. This is now the answer. Okay? So next, number 2. Please copy muna. Ito yung kopyahin nyo muna. Yung example number 1. Then type down on the chat box. Pwede na po hindi ito kasali sa ikopya. Ito lang pong example 1 ang kokopyahin. So, burahin ko na ha. Burahin ko na ito. So, balikan natin. Isusulat ko dito lahat. 1 squared, tapos 4, 2 squared, 9, 16, 25, 36, 42, 64, 81, 100. So, and so on and so forth. Yan po yung mga answers kanina. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, example number 2. For example number 2, still we are going to identify the closest integers before square root of 18. So, si square root of 18, the number is between 6 and 25. Anong number si 16 and 25? If this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, anong number siya between? Anyone?
Or 5?
3.
Yes, of course. The answer is 4 and 5. Bilangin natin. This is 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, 16 and 15, 4 and 5 squared. So therefore, the answer is 4 and 5. Ganun lang po yun. Naintindihan nyo ba? So let's try this one. Square root of 3. Square root of 40. So what integers it is closest?
3, 6,
Between
4,
36 and 42. Diyan yung 40. Anong number yan?
6, 7.
6, 7?
6, 7.
6, 7? 6, 7 po. Final na po yan. 6, 7. Bilangin natin. 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared, and 7 squared. So the answer here is 6 and 7. Next, for number 4. Ito, medyo malaki. 1 square root of 175. So, dugtungan natin. Yung 11, 10 man itong 100. 11 times 11, that is 121. Tapos 12 times 12 is 144. 13 times 13, that is 169. And 14 times 14, that is 196. Okay, umabot na ba?
Opo.
169 is 196. Umabot na ba? So dito no, this is now our focus. Ikailang number yan siya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So what's the answer?
12,
14 and 15.
14 and 15.
Ulitin ko ha. Tingnan natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13 and 14.
So the answer here is 13 and 14. Ganun lang po mag-identify ng finding the closest integers to this. Okay. Now for 10 minutes, I would like you to answer this activity that we have. Then we will check afterward. So 2 points each, 1 point po ang mali. Okay, your time starts now. If you're done after 5 minutes or 10 minutes, just type done on the chat box. Then we will do the checking afterwards. Okay, unahan ko na kayo. What if sa number 5, yung number 5 po, square root of 243, hindi po nakita dito yung numbers. So dugtungan nyo lang tulad ng ginawa ko kanina.
Excuse me po, sir. Meron po ako kunin.
Yes po. Okay, while you are answering, I would like to recognize the students present on the loop. We have Eliza, Alvea, Ariana, Charles, Crystal, Clarice, Daniel, Dasha, Dave, Denise, Divine, Don, Eunice, Yuri, Francine, Gabriel, Jervincent, Jana, Eliza, Jerry James, JM Asombrado, Cassandra, Kinji, Laika Emerald, Matt Lawrence, Michael, Michaela, MJ Gabay, Nicole Faye, Paul J. Rashid, RC, Kalingasion, Rico, Albert, Ronens, Rosabel, Selwyn, Stephen John, Yael, and Zeke. So all are present for this morning. I think so. So meron na pong natapos. So still waiting for the others. Sa mga pumasok po ng late, pwede nyo pong i-review ang ating video na ito later kapag na-upload ko na po gamit ang ating Google Classroom.
Sir, answeran po yan, sir? Or mamaya?
Yes po, sasagutan po itong numbers 1 to 10 and checkan po natin after siguro ng 5 minutes na.
Okay po.
So what if hindi nyo alam paano sagutan? So i-upload ko po itong video nito. Pwede po kayong mamaya na magsagot yung sa mga pumasok po ng late. Okay, we have finished students. Jer, Vincent, Rashid, finished na po. Kenji, tapos na rin po. Michaela, Yuri, Michael, Paul J. Still waiting for the others. Okay, maybe we could check it in last 1 minute. Kasi marami na pong nakatapos. At 9:29, check po natin para 9:30 end tayo agad. Okay, to those who came in late, just watch the recorded video later na lang po para maka-join kayo or makasagot kayo ng activities. Because we will now check the activity. Okay, start na tayo. Let's do down a checking. So to begin with, I would like to answer it by Cassandra for number 1. What is your answer, Cassandra?
8 and 9 po.
So, square root of 77, that is 8 and 9. That's correct, 8 and 9. So, 77 is between 64 and 81. Anong numbers po yun siya? Perfect square niya is 8 and 9. So, therefore, 8 and 9 ang answer. Next, number 2, Eunice.
9 and 10.
9 and 10, 87. That's correct, 9 and 10. So, this is 2 points po ang tama. 1 point naman po ang mali. Next, number 3, we have Michael.
7, 8.
7, 8. Then number 3 is 50. That is 7 and 8. That's correct. So we have 2 points. Next, we have Michaela.
11 and 12.
Yes, that's correct. 11 and 12. Next, Oro. Michael Oro. Tama ba ako? Michael Oro. Wala po si Michael. So, we have Dasha Bell. Dasha. Number 5. What's your answer? Wala din po si Dasha. MJ, what's your answer?
13 and 14.
13 and 14. Who has different answer? Can we have MJ? Gabay? What's your answer, MJ?
15 and 16.
Yes, that is 15 and 16. Nagkamali ata na sobra or nakulang rather. So that's 15 and 16. So let's have number 6. JM. JM. Wala po si JM. Michael Oro.
2, 3.
2 and 3 daw po. That's correct. 2 and 3. So still 2 points. Next, let's have Dasha. Andyan ka na ba, Dasha? Number 7. Dasha, are you there? Wala din po. Alvea. Ayun si Dasha. What's your answer for number 7, Dasha?
Sir, hindi ko papalo kasi bago lang ako nagpasok.
Ay, okay po. Sige po. Ganito na lang, Dasha. Sagutan mo ito mamaya. Yung recorded video, i-play mo lang para meron kang sagot. So, can we have Alvea? Wala rin po. Rico Albert, are you there? Wala rin po. Ang lungkot naman ito. Rashid, number 7. Rashid.
13 and 14 po, teacher.
13 and 14 for number 7. Let me see. Yes, that's correct. 13 and 14. So for number 8, can we have Eunice once again?
9 and 10.
That is 9 and 10. That's correct. For number 9, we have, can we have, let me see. Rico, andyan ka na ba? Michael Oro. Sige po, number 9.
11, 12.
Number 9, 118, that is it 11, 12?
10, 11.
No.
No. It
10,
should be-
11.
10,
Michaela?
11.
10, 11.
10 and 11. Next for number 10. Can we have Rosabel? Are you there? Wala po. Don Rabadon?
14.
14 daw po. Let me see. 159. 159. It should be 13 and 14. That's correct. 13 and 14. So 2 points each, a total of 20 over 20. Please type your score in the chat box. Okay, wow. 18, 20, 18, Kenji, 20, 14, Michael, Ronans 19, Ariana 16, 17, 19, 18, 20. Still, the passing score is 15. 16 po, 18, 18. So, pag mali po, 1 point. 13, 16, 17, 18, 15. Wow, very good. So at least you have the idea right now. So Jer Vincent, umabot ng 25. Ano kaya yung gitsekan niya? 16. Well, Ane, double check your answer. Again, to those who came in late, please watch the recorded video so that you could have answered this activity. So goodbye
Sir,
everyone.
asa ipasa, sir?
Huwag niyo muna ipasa kasama po yung sa portfolio notebook ninyo. So goodbye
Okay po,
everyone.
sir.
Hi, sir. God
Bye,
bless
sir.
you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye, sir.
Hi, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye po.